What's up, you beautiful bitches? This is Scarlet. And we are back again with the Flame and the Flood, and it's fucking raining.
When's it fucking not raining here?
Alright, let's get out.
Alrighty, drive carefully.
Ooh.
Or float carefully. Captain, carefully. I actually don't know. What? Jesus Christ! So, if you're on a boat car, are you... Jesus... Oh, I missed the loot. Ah! Fuck! You're okay. You made it through. Missed the loot, but we're good.
Ugh. We look beat to shit, don't we?
I'm tired. Hey, look! A church! I mean, I'm not gonna lie. They've been useful in this scenario. And that's about as close to the edge as I can skirt without Blitz pulling me out right here and fucking now. I guarantee you, he's in the other room, peeking around the corner like, WarHorse, you shut your fucking whore mouth! Of course, he wouldn't say that because he's Blitz, but he's thinking it! Also, we made a bunch of, hold on. We made a bunch of rope. And when we made that rope, it basically said, oh, hey, by the way, you can make spike traps. So we made a couple of spike traps. Fuck me.
Yes.
Yo. And I kind of like how the music isn't, like, always on.
Yeah, you can just hear everything.
Yeah, it kind of feels like the music kind of starts moving when you do, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
Nice, we needed that.
Actually, I think we already had one, but, yeah. Fuck, whatever.
I really like the fact that we have so many stitching kits now. As long as we sleep.
I'm gonna say... as long as you can to sun up.
7 hours?
Yeah.
That'll also help us dry off, too.
True. Sorry about that. IRL issues. Wait. Am I still doing the glitch thing? No. Okay, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
No, that's just my fucking voice, apparently. Fuck you too, technology!
Alright, so.
Me and fucking Ruby have issues with tech.
Yeah, you do. I won't lie about that. Perfect.
I was gonna say, don't use the spear trap. That's a little excessive, don't you think? I would put it, yeah, up near us. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. It's right between two of them, where we can see it, and where we can see whether or not it's done. There's the question. You want to put down 1 or 2?
1.
Fair enough.
Just in case.
So yeah, we made spike traps. That was a bit of a waste, Scarlet. Got a lot of thirst back and only used a little bit of it. So if we're already wearing a knit hat, can we, like, take one apart or something? Go back to inventory.
Make rags.
Hey!
Hell yeah.
Alright, now check on the rabbits. Really? guess sleep till sunup, huh?
Sunup?
Yep. Finally, something useful happens on a school bus. Hey!
Oh, fuck. Should have put down 2.
Told you! Fucking told you!
Yeah.
Oh, wait, did you collect the trap or did it disappear? You
No, we
collected
still got it.
Hell yeah. So yeah, put them down. Looks like there was at least 2 rabbits left, so put that one down there. And I guess another one right nearby.
And one like what here?
Yeah. But then walk away. And we're never coming back!
What the hell?
I hope they heard that. What?
There we go. Okay, bye!
Like you. Ha ha! The jokes, we have them. That seems like a good idea. Oh, go check him.
Oh?
Oh, can you go around and chase him into the other one? Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
No. There's one up at the top right. Look, he's up there by the tree.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh,
fuck you!
Fuck you!
Okay, so that trap is bunk. Let's leave that one there and come back again one more time. Kill the rabbit real quick.
So we got 2.
Okay. Then kill 2 rabbits. I have a plan. We're just gonna need as many rabbits as we can get. No, keep those.
Oh, I know, I'm just keeping them all in one spot.
Oh, you have 3.
Yeah.
Alright, bring them back to you. Craft. Rabbit pelt jacket. Wait, no. What's on your inventory right now? I mean your body.
We got a knit hat.
Go for rabbit pelt pants. That's the best upgrade you can do right now. Or gloves, your choice.
I'll go with pants.
And then after that, we're gonna go for the jacket. How much rabbit pelt is that? Oh, fuck it. I guess not enough. Let's move along. Get another rabbit. See if we can. Damn. Watch. Hey!
Nice.
That's pretty sweet. And then discombobulate that shit. I don't think discombobulate is a word. That's why I use it. Now let's see if you found another rabbit yet. Oh god!
Shit.
Oh, you did? Yeah.
Nice.
And you got the trap back. Fuck yeah. Okay, leave it by this hole and then go to bed. We're gonna be here a few days, so get comfy. Yeah.
Right here?
Right here. Probably the last time you're gonna be able to use this trap.
And
Okay.
we can't make any more.
Kill rabbit. Craft, see if you can make the jacket.
No.
Oh.
Jacket must need at least like 3 or something.
Sun up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it needs 3, then boom, we're gonna get another one right here. Yeah! Go get him.
Oh my god, so many.
You know what else that means? Plenty of meat. So, we have options. Kill a rabbit, make a jacket. Yeah. We know how to do this.
Okay.
Two more stars. And check your rating. Hot damn. Scrap that and you're good to go. The other reason I said jacket and not gloves and hat is because that would have used up all of our stitching.
Yeah, it would have.
Now at least we still have one more. I would move that,
We can make more bandages.
Yes, all of them. Create all X. Alright.
Should we make a tainted meat?
Nah, you have a tainted bait already.
Alright.
And that requires fresh meat that you kind of need for you. So, moving on.
Yep. Time to move out. Well, this place was useful.
Incredibly. The red is out of your eyes, the fucking... You're doing good now. We got meat, we got warm. Hang right. Hopefully hit up this camp. They'll have a fire for you to use. Whatever that is, looks like a mill.
Alright, before we head in there, though...
Yeah, transfer that star thing over to your,
Yep.
Yeah, that. Okay, so, how much tainted bait do you have?
One.
Make...
I only have enough to...
Two more.
2 more?
Yeah.
Alright.
Because why not, right?
Well, true.
I don't know what they're for yet, but I'm gonna guess that they're fucking useful for one.
Elimination.
Huh?
Is the next goal.
Okay, what does it do?
Well, I'll have a look later. I just want... Okay, we got more rabbit holes.
Good. Oh, ants. Oh, fuck, hold on. Excuse me.
Jesus.
Violent, isn't it?
We got a sapling.
Nice.
If we can get one more sapling, we can make another trap.
Which kind?
The box trap, I think.
Well, you just got another sapling, so...
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Are those kids?
They are. Talk to them, assuming they're not hallucinations. Well, fuck, I used to do that as a kid. Just that kind of rock and roll back and forth because you can. May as well. Arrows sounds good. Fair enough, fair enough. Fair enough.
Alright. You two are alright.
Obviously they're doing alright. They look like they're doing better off than us. It's fucking wearing food. Are you not gonna check the house?
No, I just, for some reason I thought I missed something.
No, you didn't. Keep moving.
Ooh. Fishing line.
Good. If you find another hook, you can make more stitches.
Sit. Let's see what we can make here. First, You said 2 more of these? For the tainted meat?
Yeah. I would cook the yucca. I don't know if it has another purpose. Until we find another purpose. I'm gonna assume it's food. Yes, all of that.
Yep. Okay.
For now, I think we're good. Can you,
Oh, I need 4 saplings. Jesus.
Oh,
Christ.
shit. Can you just take coal from this place?
Yeah, I can.
Alright, make it happen.
I just wanted to check how this is doing.
Could be better. Could be worse.
Should I make one?
Nah.
Or later? Yeah, later. Alright, get charcoal.
Get charcoaled.
Well, we don't have enough for a trap. Is there any point in staying?
Unless there's some other place you can explore, nah.
What?
What'd you find, boy? Girl. Ah, whatever.
No, I think that's it. Alright, goodbye, feral children.
Alright. To this mill? Question mark?
I'm not sure. Farmstead. A source of wild food and clean water. M's Offendus Hideaway.
Repeat that?
The place. Ooh.
Fuck yeah.
That's a rabbit hole.
Yeah, it is. Don't eat it yet, though. A lot of crows. That's a wolf! No, that's a pig. Okay, this is where a spike trap should do you some good. Put it down. Right there. And then lure him into it.
Yeah.
Come get me, bitch! Jesus!
God!
Fuck yeah!
Hey! Get away from my kill, bitch!
Oh, fuck! I was about to ask why it got dark. I think we found out. Fucking Christ. The sun, like, just came up. Could you, like, not be already dangerous?
Alright, so let me ask you a question.
What?
We don't have a free jar. Should we just drink the water that's in the well?
Yeah. As long as it don't get you sick.
No, it's clean.
Whoa! Maybe check the building, maybe sleep there. Maybe eat the garlic you just got so you can, cooked yucca's good, and the garlic, and that'll give you 2 free spaces to work with.
I don't think I picked up the garlic.
Oh. I don't think you did either.
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna say sleep.
Yeah. Alright.
Works for me.
Salt.
Ooh! Jerky.
Oh, I hope so.
Wait a minute.
I don't have to cook it.
Fuck yeah! Now, here's something I'm about to say. What are you wearing right now?
Knit hat, rabbit pelt gloves.
So what you should do is make either the boar hide hat or the boar hide boots. However, that's dependent on how many stitches we have. Looks like 1.
Yeah.
So, here's my thinking. Scarlet.
Yeah.
You make the boar hide boots, not only are you getting more cloth, but you're also freeing up some space. Because you only have 1 boar hide, 1 stitching, which means you're going to get rid of 2 spaces for the boots. And when you get your old boots, you're going to break them down into cloth. So you're going to be getting 2 spaces if you make the boots or the hat.
Sounds good.
Make it happen. I don't think I've ever had a pair of boar hide boots. Damn! Fucking upgrades. That's 3 times the strength. Damn!
There we go.
Where'd your other jerky go? Go down. Is that like on the raft?
Is it?
Again, IRL shit.
Alright.
Back to space saving.
Yeah. You know what? Hold on. Let's go back to the raft.
Since this place seems to be a little bit tapped. Yeah,
Possibly.
possibly.
You. Oh.
Oh shit. Oh, need a stack of cattails.
Alright.
What?
Oh.
That's, not what I was ready for. Can you imagine? Feather consume. How about no?
Let's see here. Put you there.
Uh-huh. Normally we'd have this shit kind of edited out, but we want you to see the process of what can we do, what can we not do. I say we're good for now, but it's telling us about wolves for a reason. Let's go check.
There it is.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, move days off that or something. Yeah, there we go. Good to go.
Alright.
Wait, didn't you say something about, spear trap?
Oh, yeah.
It'll take up all of your saplings, but, whoa, yeah, but you're not using them for anything else right now, so...
Yeah.
Alright, is this place tapped out, or are we gonna keep checking it? Because as right now, I would put the string on Aesop, or the fishing... Yeah! And let's move along.
Yeah.
Oh, I meant move along as in check the rest of the island, whatever. This is serene. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let's land. There's a lot of breaks in this episode. Sorry about that.
Yeah. Oh, what are you gonna do?
Sometimes IRL just happens. You stop recording and fucking start back up as soon as you can. That's what you're gonna do.
Oh, what?
Ah, Scarlet! Do you, like, turn the music off or some shit?
No.
Scarlet!
Alright.
Remember, you can slam on the brakes and also backpedal, remember? Oh, we don't have any nuts and bolts, but I would hang to the left path. It's a fishing spot and a repair station. Repairs would be kind of nice right now.
Yeah.
And a fishing spot means hooks and lines, which means more stitching.
More clothes we could make.
Right? Yeah, this raft could use a little bit of love. A little more love. That looks good. I think we got time for one more stop.
Alright, let's stop by that fishing place.
Sounds good. Still, the music hasn't come on through like this whole episode. I mean, there's atmospheric, but... Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think they just put the Dalmatian colors on the dog's model. And it looks a little weird.
More devil's trumpet.
Some deadly stuff. Good. We can make one stitch. And we have extra fishing. God damn it. You know what? I just fucking work with it. Make it a stitch. That should open up a few more possibilities. Nope, never mind. Moving on.
Yep. Well, this was a very short stop.
Also a very short episode, but that's where we wrap it up.
We hope you all enjoy this adventure that Scout and Daisy are having, as well as we are. We've now entered the third phase of the adventure. 3 of 10, I think there is. I don't know exactly what that means, but we'll see where it takes us.
Yep.
This is Scarlet.
And WarHorse, till next time, signing out.
Good night.
Pull my heart out of my chest.